Diluting cleaning chemical concentrates is easy. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you 4 even easier ways to work out exactly how much chemical you need to add to your water to make for really good hygienic cleaning. Have you ever used a cleaning chemical concentrate and wondered how much chemical should I add to the water? In this video, we're going to learn a way to quickly calculate exactly how much concentrate you should add. Step 1, work out how much ready-to-use cleaning solution you need. So in a bottle like this is a 750ml bottle, you'd need 750 mils of ready-to-use solution. In a bucket like this is an 11-litre bucket, but remember, you might only fill it to just over halfway, and that would be around 6 litres, which is 6,000 millilitres. So to work out exactly how much cleaning chemical we need to add, we first need to write down how many millilitres of ready-to-use cleaning solution we need. We'll do that now by writing it here. 6,000 millilitres. It's always easiest at this stage to use millilitres as your unit of measure. So now we've completed step 1. We know exactly how much cleaning solution we need, and we've written that right here. Second, we need to know the dilution rate that we'll be using. And in the example today, we're going to be using XO2's Bobby Dazzler Super Cleaner. So in this example, we're going to use quite a strong sanitizing solution in our mop and bucket at 32 to 1. So let me write that down. And that's 32 parts water to 1 part cleaning chemical concentrate. Now this is where the rubber meets the road. Some simple maths. Are you ready? Good. So we take the 6,000 millilitres and we divide that number by the dilution rate, the 2 numbers in your dilution rate added together. So in this case it's 32 plus 1. And we write down here 33. If that was 10 to 1, we'd add 10 and 1 together. That gives us 11. But in this example, we're going to say 6,000 millilitres divided by 33. So 6,000 millilitres divided by 33 parts equals this is the amount of product we need to add into our bucket. But first, we need to add the water. It's safer and much better practice to add water first and then your chemical. So to work out how much water you need to put into your bucket first, we need to subtract, and that gives us 5,818 mils. So first we add the water, and second we add the chemical, and there you have it. You've just worked out exactly how much chemical you need to add to your bucket in this example, or you can also easily work out how much you need to add to your bottle, to your machine, whatever it is. Use this method and it'll get you there faster. Here's 4 even easier ways to work out how much cleaning chemical concentrate you need to put into your bottle, bucket or machine. The first one, the easiest one, is to use XO2 chemicals, because on the label we actually show you exactly how many mils of chemical need to be used per litre of water. You'll see that in the bottom part of the label, so you'll see the application rate, the type of soiling, the dilution, and then how many mils is required. Number 2 is simple. Just hop on our website and download our quick reference guide for diluting your chemicals. Number 3, check out our automatic cleaning chemical dilution stations. They automatically mix the cleaning chemical concentrate with the water safely and accurately. Number 4, download an app that does all the work for you. XO2, Australia's favourite cleaning, hygiene and washroom products.